Okay, so our close guard, week 2, John Thomas's system. She is there. So we looked at on week 1, we were looking at breaking posture. Now we're going to look at the overhook series, okay? So a strong position, if I can tie up one of Shay's arms. And then we'll look at the submissions and things that we can hit from there. So again, it really depends on what grip Shay has. A very common grip has this high-low or long arm, short arm. So he's made his grip. I'm going to make the cross grip. We touched on briefly in this last time. Bring my left hand underneath, grab my own wrist, and then I turn the blade of my arm, middle finger side, into Shay's wrist. I'm engaging with my legs, and then from that position I'm just going to break the grip by pushing it off. I'm going to bring that arm over my head as my left arm goes into the overhook position. I'm going to cut an angle, and now I'm into my overhook position here. So you have three methods of using my overhook. I can grab the far collar, cross choke, punch choke options. I can just keep the overhook without grabbing onto anything. The grip that John Thomas likes to use, because we're going to go for the triangle now, is he's going to reach up and physically grab the belt. Now, if I grab too much towards Shay's left hip, he can just circle his hand out. So the grip will be more towards his right hip on the same size as the overhook. And because I'm looking for the triangle, I'm just going to uncross and put my left foot in Shay's right hip. If he tries to pull his overhook out now, it's going to be very, very difficult. And now from here, it depends on what he's doing with his hand. If his hand's based on the mat, I'm just going to push out, and I'm bringing my foot underneath his arm. Once I'm here, I just shoot straight into the triangle trap, and I'm letting go of the wizard. We're now in the one arm in, one arm out scenario. Again, we'll finish it John Danaher style. I'm not really interested in bringing this arm across because it's on the outside with the overhook, so I just keep head control. Right arm hits the underhook. I get my lower back off the mat. My right knee is below his left ear. I get unified legs, grab my shin, lock the triangle. Just get another angle on that. Not going into detail on the triangle, we've covered that before. So from close guard, Shay has his grip. Again, if there's a bend in the arm, we've already talked about, I can bring him down from this position. If he keeps his arm straight and has a short arm, I just get that cross grip, come underneath, grab my own wrist, turn the blade of the arm up, pull with my knees, pop this off, and I'm bringing my right arm above my head as I put on the wizard. Options to grab the collar is one option. Options just to keep it loose or keep it floating here. Or from this position, I can come up on an elbow and physically grab his belt. If I'm going for the triangle, I'm uncrossing, I'm taking my left foot and putting it on Shay's right hip. Again, test to see whether he can get his whizzer out from here. And now I'm looking to see where his arm is. On this scenario, Shay's got his arm tucked in, so I just grab the wrist, push it inside, and bring my right leg underneath his arm. And now from there, I just straight into the triangle trap again. Control his posture. Keep the posture controlled. Underhook to get my lower back off the mat. My right knee is below his left ear. I have unified legs pointing in the same direction. His right shoulder isn't inside the triangle. I'm just going to lock the triangle. So, break the grip, bring it over our head, put on the whizzer, reach up and grip that belt, and my foot's going on his hip. Now it depends on what he's doing with his right arm. If it's on the inside, I'm just pushing it inside into the triangle trap, control the head, underhook to get my lower back off the mat, triangle's on, or break the cross grip, whizzer's on, build the pace, get his hands out here, I'm bringing my knee through. And now from this position, triangle trap, control the head. So that's our first attack sequence from the overhook into the triangle choke.